3. Hi, today we are going to present about AI. I'm Marisala Suklongpan from LBI24S.
I'm Yinta from LBX25S.
Let's start. AI or artificial intelligence is all about giving machine the ability to do things that actually need a human being to figure it out. AI can think, learn from what they see and understand what we say, solve the problem, and ever spot a pattern and how AI works. AI can work many ways, but today we're gonna talk about learning, problem solving, reasoning, and recognizing. For the learning, AI systems are usually feed large amount of data. This data can be anything from text and image. And from algorithm also, different algorithm process this data. For example, machine learning algorithm help the AI recognize pattern and learn from examples. Is common method include a supervisor learning and unsupervised learning, and also training. During the training phase, the AI model adjusts its parameter based on the data is received. Is learned from mistake by comparing its predictions to actual outcome. And for the features of AI have many features that we can learn, and we can like ask AI. But for example, is data analysis. AI can handle and analyze vast amount of data much faster than human do. And for the perception, though sensors, camera, and data interpretations, AI can perceive and interpret its environment. And it also have like many things AI can do. For example, that like automations, AI can take care of boarding tasks, which means we save time and make our favorite mistake. And personalizations, AI can look at what we do and give us recommendations that are just for us, like the ones you can see on Netflix or Spotify or any platform. And this is quite important from, in my opinion, is adaptive learning. AI can learn from new stuff and get better over time, so it can change how it's behave. And is the last one is real-time progressing. AI can handle data super fast and often right away, so we can get our answer right away. So for the opportunity of AI is opening up many opportunity in almost every area. For example, like economy, science, education, healthcare, creativity, even our everyday life. But today we're gonna talk about 4 topic that I think is quite important. So for the first one is education and personalized learning. AI can help us to improve learning outcome and accessibility to education. Decision making is quite better for business strategies and increase competitiveness. And like I told you about features of AI can help us about make decisions also, and based on possible solutions. So the problem of AI is like AI have many problems, like for example high cost, job loss, bias, ethical issues, privacy risk, over dependence. And there's one news that one guy he killed himself by he asked AI how can he kill himself. So I think it's quite not good for AI to give that kind of information to human that try to kill himself. But I understand that AI don't know about that, but the owner of AI should have something protect about this? This is like big problem of AI in our opinion.
So, here we have international students to give us an example how AI has give solutions from a lot of problems. The most crucial problem as an international student is the language barriers that give it impact on the accessibility to reliable information. And these are some solutions that artificial intelligence give us or over us um, the solutions. The first is the real-time translations, or we can use like our camera to translate everything that we needed. Second, personalize what student need to be improved. Like AI can be a tutors or teachers that teach us everything. It can be debater who keep asking us why and why. By this, student will have more understanding. And the last is summarize and give understanding of the lengthy journals. Like what? Okay, for students who are doing thesis, artificial intelligence or AI can be really help us a lot, like in sorting what kind of journal that we needed, and we also can ask AI to uh, give more understanding what is the journal about and everything's in the journal, they can answer it. In terms of visibility, AI adoption in education is increasingly realistic. Universities and schools investing in an adaptive learning platform, intelligent tutoring system, and language tools. Many institutions also using AI for grading, plagiarism detections, and student support services. For individual learners like us, we usually use free or low-cost tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, Gemini, etc., that are already accessible through smartphone and making AI assistants available even without institutional investment. Next, in the term of scalability, unlike human tutors or teachers that are limited by time and geography, AI can provide 24/7 support in multiple languages, and AI-powered education tools can make learning more accessible, especially in places with few teachers. Scalability also have a risk or limitation because of the bias system that could harm millions of learners at once. As an illustration, as I said before in the limitation section, a mistranslation algorithm that consistently misinterprets technical vocabulary. This could give a lot of disadvantage for entire cohort of students. This is the reason why the feasibility and scalability must be evaluated alongside ethics and governance. And this is why teachers always have to encourage the students how doing AI or how can do AI properly and in the right way. Researchers strongly support that the capabilities of AI in this context, natural language processing that's applied in AI, said that AI enables machines to understand, translate, and generate human language. As we know, and use platform like DeepSeek or Deep Learning and Google Translate, they are using natural machine translation to do their work, and it has been improved dramatically in recent years in reaching near human accuracy in many languages. Also, they have the ability to summarize content, provide explanation, and interact conversationally. Even the large models are capable of producing accurate summaries and translation for complex academic texts. True, though they still need human oversight for hide states of content. From here, we can see that AI also have limitations like accuracy and bias, that they still need human to verify what they give to us. As human, we need to double check the answer that AI give. Even a small mistranslation could change the meaning of an entire concept and lead to confusion. And lack of human qualities, this refers to how AI doesn't have a lot of feelings like human do, so the answer that they give sometimes hurtless, or it cannot compare to the real human being give. And because emotional support is very important for us, for human. And lastly, privacy and security. Nowadays, we don't have much strong regulations and safeguards for our privacy in AI, and without that, all the data that they had could be at risk of misuse.
Okay, for the conclusions, AI is truly one of amazing things that we ever make. It has the power of change everything we do, from how we work and learn to how we heal, create, and connect. AI open up so many chances through tracking thought problem, make things run smoother, and spark new idea and discoveries. But it's also important to remember that in AI come with some big challenge, things like bias, job displacement, and misinformations, privacy concerns, and unequal access. Remind us that technology needs to be guided by our value, ethics, and responsibility. The future of AI really hides on how we use it. If we develop it wisely and fairly, AI can first focus and incursions, helping us or our full potential. But if we don't use it like or let it run wild, it could widen the gap and cause harm. Thank you.
Thank you for listening, and bye
Bye
bye.
bye.